Baby, give it up, give it up. Baby, give it up. More, 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 more. More, more.
This is all for you.
Thank you. Now, I think we're about to start. Thank you so much. A round of applause again.
Happy birthday, Javier. Happy birthday, bro. How old are you?
38 plus 20. 15.
We saw,
Thank you.
one of our friends was one of the performers here in the Filipino community. So, yung veteran,
Again.
the woman that came and stepped in the Filipino community world, everybody saw her. And, you know, she's
So sexy, oh.
doing a lot of gigs.
Mga sexy, oh.
It's just so nice to see a lot of people live.
Sobrang sexy.
Live from North wherever this is.
Okay, this time,
Live from North Long Beach.
my favorite performers here in the Philippines.
Oh, mga beauties, oh. You're alive.
Uy, mas maganda siya sa tita. Siyempre naman talaga.
Be another sexy lady, oh. Hello. Hello.
Ang pagiging
Everyone.
basta nga nyo.
Si Garpo. Si Garpo. Hey, Garp.
Tsaka always remain humble. Right? Kasi pag nakita natin nila kapag medyo may area, mayabang ka na, wala ka sa napakalang sabi mo. Okay, now that being said, let's give it up for our beloved friend with a very powerful voice.
Hello, hello, hello. Say hi. Alive ka, alive, alive. You're alive. Hello everyone, good evening. Alive, alive, alive. You're alive. You're alive. Alive, alive, alive.
Okay, before we start, of course, would you like to...
Guwapo. Pala beauty mo pag walang salamin. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Happy birthday, Javier. You're alive, you're alive. Hello, hello, sis. Wala ko na mag-approach. Nakalimutan dami. Ay, sino namatay? Mga ano, ayan, ayan, mga bros. Mga bros, mga bros.
You know what? She was the first one here. She was one of the early birds. She was here since last night. I get to sing first. This one for you. Was very supportive.
Oh, ay, Ate Bessie.
Let's go for the one and only Miss April.
Look over here, look over here.
Yes.
Naka-live ka, naka-live, live. Live. Andito na mga bros, mga sis. Ayan na. Oh. Oh, sino tong beauty na to? Sino tong beautiful lady here? Hi, kamusta? Kamusta na?
Ito, buhay pa.
Oh, anak mo?
Bunso.
Ilang taon siya?
5.
Oh, pangilan? Bunso? How many? Wow. Isa pa? Ah, 4. 2 boys and 2 girls. Isa pa. Ilan lalaki babae mo?
2 lalaki sa babae.
O, isa pang babae. Alright. Have a good one. Nice to see you again, sis. Oy, Nick! Dito ba yun? Okay. Yeah, wala kang team, right? You don't have any team, right? Rockstar costume! Ay! Maghahanap pa ng ano?
May costume contest tayo!
Oh my God! Okay guys, she's having her birthday here next week. Next Thursday.
Next week, Thursday.
Partners Thursday for Mick. Ay! The talented and beautiful. Oh my God! Nandito ka pala. Ito, taga. Say hi, Dila. Hello, say hi, everyone. Are you gonna sing? Okay, okay. Go.
Kaya pala naka-blue.
Hi, this is Aurora. Hey! Hi guys! Long time no see! Are any of the Villa Guardia sisters gonna be here? Sila ano, is Ruby gonna be here or sila Juan? No? Kain kayo! Say hi! Happy birthday, Javier! Thank you! Hello, sino to? Wala, ito na ang ano, oh. Naku, the best group ever. Oh. You're alive, you're alive, you're alive. Mga alive kayo, alive, okay. Pickleball. I need to do that so I can lose weight. Kaya lang, ang layo nyo. Ay, bumili ka na. Good for you. That's good. Ang sarap, diba? Pogi, ang guwapo. Ang guwapo. Happy birthday again, Insan.
Okay, one more time.
Thank you.
Let's go. One more song.
Sexy, oh. Woo! Sexy. Kalang ba ako magiging ganyan ka-sexy? I need to lose 30 pounds. Naku.
Nasa poste. Nasa poste. Nasa poste. Happy birthday, celebrate.
What is faded? Is that contagious? Is that contagious? Yes, well, ano, nagsasabi ka din makita ba? Ano yung makakadilin? Para pa nakawork na.
You actually brought the people out from the home on Thursday night. Only you can do that.
30 pounds pa. Oh my God, sarap. Sino kakanta next? Buti hindi ano, I don't like it when they do that. Purple thing. Won't you take me to Funky Town? Won't you take me to Funky Town? Won't you take me to Funky Town? Woo! There goes Hotness, April Velasco. Let's dance for love. Ayan, pira, pira,